In the photograph taken at Taura Kadishaya's farm, Bishop Yovin Nyamakanga right is not the posture of a watchful cleric or a detached spiritual advisor. His body leans inward, relaxed, smiling, hands open and unguarded. The unmistakable ease of political fellowship. There is no prophetic distance here, no symbolic separation between church and power. The stance is convivial, grounded, and unmistakably partisan. It is the body language of arrival, not visitation. Sarabla mashokobula pangwa ine ati Bishop Nyamakanga enjoys a laugh at Kandishaya's farm. Don't subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. The farm setting itself matters. In Zimbabwe's political grammar, farms are not neutral spaces. They are sites of patronage, loyalty, and alignment. Standing there, laughing at ease, Nyamakanga's posture performs what words often try to deny: comfort with the power, acceptance of proximity, and willingness to be seen. The image does not need captions. It is a declaration. From prophecy to proximity, this image lands at a moment of contradiction. Only months ago, Nyamakanga was among those publicly associated with prophetic claims of an impending leadership change in 2025. A message that resonated widely, amplified by church platforms, and received as divine forewarning. Howard Nyoni's comment casts the core of that reversal. The greatest enemy of false prophecy is time. Time has indeed spoken. As the year closes, the prophecy has not unfolded, but the prophecy has shifted. The move is not theological, it is directional. From predicting change, Nyamakanga is now pictured embracing continuity, standing comfortably with the Zanu PF's social and political orbit. The pivot is visual, not theoretical. In Zimbabwe, prophetic authority rests not on sermons alone, but on consistency under pressure. When prophecy bends towards power instead of confronting it, credibility fractures. The laughter at Kandishaya's farm sits comfortably alongside earlier claims of imminent political upheaval. It invites the question Yondi raises bluntly: was the prophecy revelation or rhetoric? Bishop Nyamakanga achionekwa achiseka achinjwa elafu at Kandishaya's farm. Comment section medu nzofunguro enyi motu kudipa mzuri pechitko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.